Hi, this is Vinit. This is my final project submission for the course of data visualization. I have visualized the week-wise comparison data of the coronavirus cases worldwide starting this March. So this is the sequential updating sunburst plot with the first layer representing the continent and the second layer representing the countries of that particular continent. The sunburst is connected with the stacked bar plot where blue represents the recovered, red the deaths, and the green the confirmed cases. We can hover on the uh, to get to know the exact number of cases of the particular continent as well as the country. Same goes with the bar chart as well. So if we select a particular continent, the sunburst gets zoomed up and also the bar chart gets updated with the continent's data. We can also filter the country as well. Now we can also zoom out, and also there is a filter option for selecting the particular week. So by the end of the 6 week, these are the number of cases, and these when we select the week 5, now the sunburst as well as the bar chart along with the axis gets updated with the week's 5 data. So and we can know the exact number of cases of the particular week by hovering on the sunburst as well as the bar plot. Now there is an option of summing up the sunburst with the help of the type of cases. So if we select the deaths cases, now the sunburst gets summed up with the deaths cases, and when we hover we'll get to know only the deaths cases. Same goes with the recovered cases as well. Sunburst gets updated. So there is an option of updating the sunburst with the help of the bar chart. If we select the death section of the bar chart, section of the sunburst gets updated with the deaths data. And same goes with the confirmed cases as well as the recovered cases as well. This is the week-wise comparison of the data. If we want the trend graph from week 1 to week 6, there is a click here button. When we click here, they redirects to the connected scatter plot diagram where x-axis is the weeks and the y-axis is the number of cases. We can have a filter to select the continent. When we select the continent, the filters with the countries of that continent. We have an option to select the deaths as well as the recovered. So when we hover on the particular circle, we'll see the exact number of cases of that particular country at that point of the week. So this is my project. We can also go back. This is my project. I have implemented this project using D3's library. Things that I have learned were how the hierarchy function works and how the data is being converted into hierarchical format with parents, children, depths, and heights, etc. And also the usage of the nest function, where I faced difficulty in order to double append the data in order to get the data working and appending the elements with the double append. Thank you.